Meaning of day tripper.
Day tripper.
Day tripper.
Day tripper.
Day tripper. Day tripper is a slang term that refers to someone who goes on a short, often spontaneous trip or outing during the day and returns home the same day. This term became particularly popular in the 1960s when it was used in a song by the Beatles. It can also refer to a person who regularly takes day trips for leisure or as a form of escape from their daily routine. Overall, day tripper implies a sense of adventure and temporary escape without the commitment or planning of a longer journey.